In the last video, we briefly discussed the print statement. This time we'll go into more details. So if I use a simple print statement like this one, anything between quotes is called a string literal, this highlighted part. You can wrap a string literal between double quotes or single quotes, doesn't matter in Python. However, you need to be consistent. If you start with a double quote, you need to end with a double quote. If you start with a single quote, you need to end with a single quote. If I run this, I get the string literal as is in the console, as expected. Now, if I use the addition operator and add another string, let's see what happens when I run. The addition operator concatenated both strings. Concatenated means it connected the two strings together. I can use multiple addition operators within the same print statement. So I could add a space and then add the second string. If I run it now, I get it in a more user-friendly way. If I use a second print statement on the next line, and run, the second print statement automatically moved to the next line. That's because in Python, every print statement pushes the next to the line below. That is the default behavior. If you would like to override that default behavior, you will need to add the attribute end and change it to nothingness. This is an empty string. Let's see what happens this time. If I run, the second print statement printed on the same line. If I need a space between the first one, the first print, and the second print, I need to add a space to the end attribute. If I run this time, there.